y'all see that, man. It's raining cats and dogs, man, but we out here early. 7:16, y'all, in the morning, so I'm on my way out to the auction, and I'm getting ready to test drive some vehicles, man, in the rain, and it's coming down. I got my raincoat on, trusty old raincoat, so I should be straight, man. I just want to drive a couple this morning. I'm not obviously going to be able to do an auction walk-around video, and let's rewind that a little bit. Everybody, you want Chuck's Daily Hustle, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And then everybody, man, go ahead and follow me on the social media platforms, especially Instagram, man. The links are in the description below. Once again, smash that thumbs up button. Anyways, yeah, man, so we're going to do that. And then I got a lot of people interested in a couple cars that I am going to sell. I apologize for the background noise, but as I said, man, it's raining cats and dogs, and I'm still trying to get you this content, and we still trying to vlog, man. So let's get to it, man. I'll see y'all in a second.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. He's spazzing like he got the spaz. Woo! 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 I'm up. We up. I'm up. We bang when we come through. We got a blue here.
We made it, y'all. So I'm at Manheim right now, getting ready to test drive some cars. So it's not raining that bad right now, so I'm actually going to show you guys a couple cars on this vlog instead of doing an auction walk around video like I said before. So let's get straight to it. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. So found the first car that I actually wanted, man. Infiniti M35. If you watched my last video or one of my last videos, I was checking out one at the other Manheim, which I'm gonna be bidding on today. So this is a 07. It's got 199 on it. M35X, y'all. That means it's all-wheel drive. So far, the body looks good. Interior's clean. Got a little rip in the seat. That's cool. Not too much worried about that. Let's see. This thing starts up. Started right up. Got the memory seats, I can see. No lights on the dash. Says it needs an oil change. All right, let's see what these windows doing. Okay. Is that real wood? Yeah, that's real wood. Okay. I already knew that, y'all. I was just being one of them guys. All right, so that's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and put her on the road. Show y'all some cars on the way out here. Now, if you're new to the channel, man, and you like what I'm finna do, man, y'all need to go subscribe and all that good stuff, because I got straight dealer auction walk around videos where we just doing strictly this. So, anywho, man, here's a test track right up in front of us, y'all. And that's what we finna hop on. Feels like, so it's got that tire pressure indicator right there. Feels like the tires are a little bit low, maybe one or two of them or whatever, but we still gonna drive this joint. We're gonna see what she do. Let's see. Got up to 40, up to 50. I ain't trying to go too crazy. That drive pretty good, man. The engine was good. The tranny was shifted. 199K miles on this joint. The seat is moving a little bit when I step on the brake, but that's nothing. Let me see. Get this again. Nah, this one I'm gonna go top dollar on, man, because this is super clean. It's presidential, especially the luxury class, which means that, you know, especially with people having a lot of money right now, that people are gonna be looking to upgrade. So a lot of people are, you know, upgrading. People that used to beaters, they want $2,800 cars. But people that used to $2,800 cars, they want $5,000 cars. So Let's see if we can get this a little bit up to more speed. Boom, 55. All right, so this one is most definitely a go, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my list. Next up, we got a 2001 Toyota Avalon, y'all. It's got 191,000 miles on it. Looks pretty cool, pretty decent. I hate when I see sedans with trailer hitches, I'm not gonna lie to you. It just scares me when it comes to that training. Interior looks dope. Nice, clean, and tight. I already got one of these identical to it, just a little bit more miles. Got a player deal on that, but we're gonna try to get another player deal for sure, So let's throw this one on the track. This one's a little bit, no, it ain't. It's the same. This one's cleaner though, in my opinion. Yeah, let's see what she do. So already I can hear some brake scraping in the back, but that's nothing major. See how she drive. 40, 55, 450. That's decent. Brakes feel good though. Yeah. These little Avalons, man, they kind of drive like Cadillacs, just like the feeling of it. Like when I say Cadillac, I'm talking about like a 02 DeVille, like with that young air ride. That's how it feels. Let's see, one more time. Let's see if we can get up to a higher speed. All right, yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on the list as well, and then we shall be straight, man. Let's get to it. What's up, y'all? So right now I'm at my bro's house, man, and I am bidding. As you can hear, I'm gonna try to talk over this thing. Can't turn it down, so I apologize. But I did buy a car. I bought a car from Manhattan, Minneapolis. I paid a lot of money, in my opinion, and I'll tell y'all about the details when I get out there. Obviously, we're done with Northstar for now, and we're gonna go back. So I got a lot of running, got a lot of cars to drive today, a lot of things to do. I don't really plan on picking up any cars today, but who knows? But the biggest thing is me buying cars so I can get stuff ready this week for next week. So let's get it. All right, you guys. So man, I don't know if you can hear it, but it is raining like crazy, man. So I can't really film y'all because I can't get the camera wet. But I'm going to basically go run in here and get my car. Which is a 2007 Infiniti M35. So if you watched my, I don't know if I did a vlog or an auction walk around video yesterday, then you would have known that I said I was getting this car, and that's what I did. I'll give you all the details later. I got to keep it moving and grooving. I might not even be able to show you the car until tomorrow, but at least we're going to see the inside. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all. So I'm in the Infiniti right now. And this thing is running just like a dream, man, just like yesterday, man. So it's got 185,000. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. 185, 137, man. So that's how many miles are on this Infiniti. Like I said, what did I say? 2007 Infiniti M35X. It's all-wheel drive, leather interior, real wood grain in this joint. You know what I'm saying? Real wood grain in this joint. You know what I'm saying? So I actually paid more than I usually would, man, on the vehicle, but the profit margin was there, and why not? You know what I'm saying? So I did it, and we're gonna make some money on it. We're gonna make some blue faces. Thing is ready to go right now, man. This thing is pristine, man. Like, look at this interior, man. I didn't even really look at it yesterday, but like, it's ridiculous, man, how clean this thing is. The roof, all that, everything works in here. The tires are almost brand new. You can't beat it. Good thing is it's not raining that much, so I'm getting ready to show y'all what the outside of this joint look like, man. Clean. Let's get it. We are here at the lot, y'all, and here is the beauty, man. This thing is clean, man. Nice tires on it. Body's cool. I did notice this flaw after the fact, but that ain't nothing, man. Nothing at all. Can't beat it. This thing is well taken care of, man. Like I said, it's got the sunroof. It's got everything you need, man. Navigation, backup camera, all that stuff. Obviously, I gotta clean this stuff out real quick. Yeah, man. Oh, let me show you. Let me go back here. What am I talking about? Clean, man. So let's get to it, man. I gotta scrape these writing off and all that stuff, and then I'm gonna take some pictures and then wait on this young Uber, man. All right, y'all. So I'm moving and grooving. Just basically we in the car right now, me and Twan, and we're on our way to North Star. I gotta drop him off, and then I'm about to test drive some more cars and see what they got out there. So that's what the plan is. Got that Infinity already posted, so just waiting on some bikes, man. See y'all in a second. Back at Mannheim, man. This is no joke, but this is the other Mannheim. This is Mannheim North Star. So we've been at Mannheim North Star twice, Mannheim Minneapolis once. I'm tired as heck. Been driving all day. We've been up all morning, but I'm still moving. We still grooving, man. So we gotta go get this money, man. It ain't gonna make itself, y'all. So let me go up in here, drive some more cars, and then hopefully find some more, and then just hopefully we can win tomorrow. Let's get it. Just like that, y'all, the day is over. We got a lot accomplished, man. So I'm super, super ecstatic about what tomorrow's gonna bring for us, man. So, you know, I drove a lot. When I say a lot of cars, I mean a lot of cars. And, you know, I'm just prepared to basically spend some money so, you know, we can have some inventory so we can make some blue faces. Excuse me. So, man, that's all I can say, man. So I'm not going to drag this video on. I'm not going to drag y'all on, man. But make sure y'all remain positive, stay focused, stay hustled up, stay prayed up, and all that good stuff, man. Just keep on going, keep on moving and grooving. That's all I can say. And I forgot to say in the beginning of the video, let's get it, let's go.